Hello everyone, I'm Nick Lucero, and for my favorite technology tool, I have chosen musictheory.net. I chose this website because I want to teach music, like preferably for high school or for middle school. And when you want to teach music, one of the most basic things is being able to teach basic music theory and basic ear training for the students. And this website provides free exercises that instruct students in basic music theory and basic oral ear training. Some of these, again, these are free, and you can honestly go on and say note identification. This would be really important for anyone who's learning, who's like brand new to their instrument, and you have to teach them how to read music. So you just click on the exercise, and you can see here that it displays a note and a bunch of different options, and they can, it's very easy, very clear, and simple to use. And I think that's a big plus. A lot of the other websites I found were not so simple. So this is totally great, especially coming from a teaching perspective. Another one I found besides notes is key signature identification. Again, this is really important for when you're reading music. You can't really have students try and read music without them really understanding what a key signature is or what notes are. So again, this is great. Again, it shows a key signature. It asks, there's a blank here saying which one is it, options, and you just choose, and it's really simple. Again, like maybe that's too basic and you have students who want to know more, or you're teaching more advanced theory classes at whatever institution you're teaching at. And I think it's great that they provide even more advanced exercises. So another one of these could be like chord identification. This is something that you really only learn when you're becoming an advanced musician. This is maybe advanced high school, basic college stuff. And again, just like the other ones, they're all formatted relatively the same. It'll show you what it wants you to analyze up top, and it gives you options down below, and you just choose whichever one, and it makes it really simple. And again, at the top here, it'll tell you if you got it right or wrong. So we can see here, I'll just choose a random one. So red, got it wrong. The percentage here went down, so you can see I got it wrong. Um, and the greatest thing I found about this is that it has a for teachers option down here where you can customize the exercises so that if you're teaching and maybe you want something done a little bit differently, it has all the different exercises here, and you can go on and click on it, and you can change different things about it. You can change the range of what it covers, the format of what it covers, um, different things about it. Really, there's a bunch of options here, and I think that's great, especially if you want to customize your exercise to meet the needs of the classroom. And again, thank you for watching. I hope this was informative. Thank you so much.